Hi, it's Ashley from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and welcome back to my channel where I make a lot of cake and cookie decorating tutorials as well as give a lot of baking business tips. And we are back for another day of Vlogmas. This is the 25 days of cupcake decorating. Now the other day I made a Santa Claus cupcake that was very similar to this design, so I decided let's make Mrs. Claus. I'm showing you this first clip here because I want to show you what it's like when your fondant is too sticky. That one stuck too much to the surface, so I decided to roll it again because you're never going to get a perfect shape. So if it gets too sticky, just put down a little bit of cornstarch, but you want to go easy on the cornstarch when making these particular cupcake fondant toppers because you can't steam them off the way you can with a cake. And I'm saying this again for those of you that haven't been watching the entire series. We're just adhering everything today with a little bit of water. No need for edible glue. That's more for if you're using something on a cake because it's going to be popping out of something. You just need a little bit of water for this. I decided not to go with pure white hair. I added a little bit of black to my white and mixed it in with some shortening as well to make it really pliable and easy to work with. I've been getting some questions on how much shortening are you supposed to add. Just add a little bit at a time. Start off with a few tiny dabs and then add as much as you need, and you will be able to feel it because you really want to knead that fondant together. If it's still dry and cracking, it needs a little bit more shortening in there. For most of my fondant cupcake toppers that I've been making, I say that you can interchange all of these colors, but because this is Mrs. Claus and this is the only red element that really ties her to Santa, you will need red or else she just looks like a fun little granny cupcake. Roll some black dots, and remember, anytime you're doing two of something, take one solid ball and then cut it in half. That way you know it's always going to be even. And today I am using some sprinkles for the glint in her eye. I just thought it would be easier than pulling out more white fondant, and there is no white fondant on this, so I tend to do that if I don't have white fondant somewhere else on the cupcake. That's just for expediency's sake though. If you want to use white fondant, go right ahead. I did use Italian meringue buttercream. You can check out my buttercream series in the right hand corner to see which buttercream will be right for you for this tutorial. Any one will do. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now I'm uploading every single day for Vlogmas for the 25 days of cupcake decorating, so be sure to come back tomorrow to see what type of decor I come up with next. Also, if you're sad this video is over and you want more Vlogmas, please go ahead and check out the Bake Down podcast where we are also uploading every single day. Bye!